Hi, I'm Katie. Welcome to Pedalways. Today I'm going to teach you how to put that pedal back onto your bike. So either you've got new pedals or you took your pedals off and you're just putting them back on. The important thing to note here is that these pedals have a thread on the end of them, and usually those are covered in grease. This is good. We want to maintain that. So when I grab my pedal to put it onto my bike, I'm going to grab it by this little metal lip here. Your pedal might look a little bit different, but you need to find a place where you can grab it with your fingers without taking all of that grease off. You'll probably get grease on your hands. That's okay. You can get it off with dish soap later. So I'm going to bring my pedal with my screw towards the bottom of my crank arm where you see these threads in the hole there. And I'm going to start threading it on clockwise, which is always easier said than done. And I'm going to tighten it down until I can't tighten it with my hands anymore. And remember, this goes on clockwise. It's the same way that you pedal. So I pedal the bike forwards. I'm going to screw the pedal on this way. So once we get it totally on, I'm going to take my Allen key, which is the largest one of my set that fits in the bolt on the back side. I'm going to slot that in, and I'm going to tighten this hand tight with the tool. Remember, when we're pedaling, we're still tightening that pedal, and if we want to get them off one day, we don't want to reef them completely on. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comments.